Deep below the surface, stability is everything. When the Earth pushes back with pressure and heat, one component decides the outcome: the fluted centralizer. It's not just a piece of metal, it's what keeps the entire drill string aligned with precision. The fight against vibration, torque, and corrosion begins right here, inside Venture Gulf Engineering's oil and gas specialized machine shop. From raw billet to precision machined excellence, each fluted centralizer is born to withstand the extremes of the oil field. A symbol of engineering mastery, designed, machined, and perfected in Qatar. Venture Gulf Engineering, where strength takes shape.